Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So at first, we can see that we are having a ranging market move on this Euro GBP. We all know that before we actually place a trade, we would want to know the trend for such move, and we can see that this trend is actually was ranging. Previously, we were having this uptrend move, then it got to a time that price is ranging. Even once it broke out of this level, we kind of add another ranging market move. So I've highlighted this level. So if you were following consistently, we would have seen how we took out this level to be this resistance level and this level down to be the support level. Well, price has now broken above this previous resistance level, and that previous resistance level, which was serving as our resistance level previously, is now serving as the support level. So you can now see price will come to this support level, then go up to this resistance, then push down to the support, then go to the resistance. Now, currently, this price is at this support level. So, what we would want to do is apply that rules of trading, which is trade what you see and not what you think. Like I said, if you have to zoom it out, right, the prediction or what we'll be expecting, like what we will be thinking, is that this Euro GBP will continue to give us that bullish move, right? That is what we'll be thinking or what will be in our mind. But in order to be able to be successful in trading, you need to actually trade what you see and not what you think. So what we clearly can see is that price is actually ranging within this level. Now let's go to the forward time frame, which is very much visible. We can see that once there was a time that price came to this resistance level, then we had a drop to the support level, then there was a movement to this resistance level, and again a drop to the support level. We had a bullish move to the resistance and now a drop. So if you take a look at this, a bullish move was made to the resistance. We can consider this as a false breakout if you want to see it like that way. So we can take it as a false breakout for this trade only. Then guess what? We had another drop to this support level. So after the support level, what do you expect? Definitely we expect an impulse move again to this resistance level. So this for the next day, which is for the 18th, let's see this Euro GBP give us a bullish move. We would want to go up and at least take out this resistance level. At least that should be giving us about 60 pips. I mean 60 pips, bullish move for the next day on Euro GBP is actually, it is very more visible. It's something we can grab. So let's watch out for a bullish move on Euro GBP for the next day.